In this video, I'll show you 7 natural fillers you can use to buy yourself some thinking time without sounding awkward or going silent. These are phrases that native speakers use all the time. We'll explain how to use each one and give you a real example for IELTS speaking. So let's jump into the first one. Well, let me think. This is a super natural way to pause before answering. It gives you a moment to breathe and gather your thoughts, and it sounds smooth just like how native speakers talk. Here's how you might use it in the test.
What kind of music do you like?
Well, let me think. I guess I'm really into acoustic music lately. It helps me relax after a long day. Alright, that one's really common. Let's try another simple phrase that works just as well. That's a good question. This phrase is polite, natural, and very common in real conversation. It gives you just a second or two to pause without sounding forced. Let's say the examiner asks you this.
What's your favorite season of the year?
That's a good question. I'd probably say spring, because the weather's nice and everything feels fresh and new. Alright, let's keep going. Here's another simple phrase that helps you sound natural while you think. I haven't thought about that before. This phrase shows honesty and buys you a little time. It also makes your answer feel more real and less rehearsed, which examiners like. Here's what that might sound like in the test.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
I haven't thought about that before. I guess I do enjoy it when I have time, especially on weekends. Let's look at another phrase that's just as useful when you need a second to think. Let me see. Short and super natural. This phrase is often used by native speakers when they're organizing their thoughts. It helps you avoid awkward silence without sounding forced. Let's hear how it might work in your answer.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Let me see. I usually hang out with friends or go to the gym. It depends on my mood. Now let's check out another natural filler that you can use in almost any situation. I guess. This is a soft way to start your answer when you're not 100% sure or when you need a moment to think. It sounds relaxed and helps keep the conversation flowing. Let's see how you could use it in the test.
Do you like spending time alone?
I guess so. It really depends on my mood, but sometimes I enjoy the peace and quiet. Let's keep going. This next phrase is great when you need a bit more time to think carefully. Well, this is one of the most natural fillers in English. It gives you just a moment to think, and it works in almost any situation, especially at the start of your answer. Here's how it might sound in your response.
Do you enjoy watching movies?
Well, yeah, I love watching movies, especially comedies and action films. Let's keep going. This next phrase is great when you need a bit more time to think carefully. Well, to be honest. This phrase is great for buying a moment to think while still sounding confident and genuine. It also shows you're being thoughtful and sincere with your answer. Let's take a look at how it fits into an IELTS answer.
Do you enjoy your job or studies?
Well, to be honest, it can be stressful sometimes, but overall, I enjoy what I do. And that's it. You've just learned 7 natural filler phrases to help you stay calm and fluent in the IELTS speaking test. Try using them in your practice. You'll sound more confident and natural right away. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IELTS tips every day. Let me know in the comments, which phrase will you use first?